Hi there. Okay, so today we are going to create a YouTube channel. I'm going to go over the steps on how to create a simple channel, and I'll show you a walkthrough for the YouTube Studio. Here are your timestamps for the video in case you want to jump to some of the sections in the video and skip some of them. Now the first question is, why have a YouTube channel? Well, a YouTube channel will give you an audience and also a voice for you to speak your content to the world. It can also be another source of revenue for your income streams. It can also be a creative outlet for you to show your creative side, be it animation, drawing, vlogging, or whatever have you. It can also be very modernizing, as you will be into the video world and you'll get to experience how video creators actually work on their videos. Alright, so let's get started. I've already logged into my Gmail account right here in Google Chrome, and I'm going to open up google.com, as you can see right here, and I'm going to search in YouTube. When I press enter, and then I can see right here the first link is youtube.com. You can either go straight directly into youtube.com or you can follow me. Once I'm in here, you can see that there is a sign in button right there. So if you press on the sign in button, it will ask you to log in into your email address and password, but since I'm using Google Chrome, I can automatically sign in with the account that I'm using. Now if you click on the icon, you can see the first prompt that says create a channel. I want you to go ahead and click on that. Your creator journey begins right here. So here you can just click on get started, or you can click on no thanks, but I prefer you click on get started. Now here you have to choose between two things. Either you want the channel to be under your name, or you want the channel to be under a brand name. Now I went ahead and clicked on the brand one, and then here YouTube will ask you the channel name that you want to have. You can type up to 100 characters. For me it's just 5, and then you have to press on I understand I am creating a new Google account, and then you have to press on the create icon. Now if the name is not taken, you will be congratulated with this splash screen, which will tell you that the account has been created successfully. If you want, you can upload the profile picture right away, but I will do that later. Now as you go ahead with this screen and you scroll down, you can find more information on how the channel will look like. You can even set up your channel description, which I will do later, not now. And you can also add links to your sites, for example Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, which I will also do later. So now I pressed on set up later. Now this is your YouTube channel page. You can see that there is nothing over here because this is a new channel, and you can click on the upload video icon and straight away jump into uploading your first video. When I clicked on it, you can see that it loads me up into YouTube Studio, which is a new YouTube Studio from the previous Classic Studio. And then you can just press on select a file, or you can also drag and drop your video file right here on this dialog box, and YouTube will start uploading your video. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you some of the key channel features in this YouTube channel. First, I want you to click on the channel icon, and then you can click on YouTube Studio. You will be taken into this page, which is the Studio page. This is where most of the magic of YouTube happens. As you can see, if you scroll through here, you will have a lot of options. The first option that I'm going to look at is the audio library. This is where you can get free audio and music for your videos. This is completely royalty free and you won't get any strikes for it. Next is the monetization page, where YouTube will track your progress into their partner program. You can scroll down and you can see how much of your watch time and your subscriber count is left in order to apply. Then you can also select subtitles, where you can set up subtitles for your videos. There's also the comments tab, where you can look at the published comments for your videos, and also the ones that are likely spammed or held for review under your blocked words. And then if you click on the analytics tab, you can look at your channel analytics. If you press on the playlist, where YouTube will take you into a new tab for your playlist, you can create a new playlist here, or you could also edit your previously created playlists. If you want to return, you can just click on return to the YouTube studio, or you can close that tab because it saves automatically. And then you can press on videos, where you can view all of your videos, your restrictions, the date you uploaded them, the view and the comments. And when you go to the dashboard, that is where you can see an overhead view of your channel. When you press on the settings tab, you will see a pop-up box where there are other features as well. Go to the channel tab, and here you can set up your country of residence. Once you have selected your country of residence, you can also set up some keywords so your channel can easily be found in the YouTube search and also in other Google websites. If you click on advanced settings, you can set up more features, like if your channel is made for kids, you can set up whatever your channel is suited for. You can also hide your subscriber count with this feature right over here. If you click on it, and it will either display your subscribers or it will hide them. And you can also disable internet-based ads if you want. If you click on branding, that is where you will upload your watermark, and you can also see your other features in that tab. Next, I will go into upload defaults, and you can go ahead and set up some basic defaults if you want. You can set up your language, your video language, and also your caption certification. You can also set up your community contributions here. If you go into permissions, you can view all of your permissions over here. And same way, if you go into community, you can set up moderators and other approved users. Once you're done with the whole thing, don't forget to press save so that those settings will be saved for your account. Thank you so much for watching on how to create a YouTube channel and a simple walkthrough for the YouTube Studio. I hope you have made a YouTube channel by now. Comment below with your channel name and tell me how the video was, and I'll see you next time.